Velocity of sound wave. The velocity associated with any wave, there are two types of velocities. They are namely particle velocity and wave velocity. First of all, particle velocity. The velocity with the particle of medium vibrate in order to the transfer of energy in the form of wave is defined as the particle velocity. Next is the wave velocity. The velocity with the wave travel through the medium is called wave velocity. The distance traveled by a sound wave in a unit time called the speed or velocity of sound. Let us discuss how we can calculate the speed of sound. First we create the pulse wave. We can find the speed of sound in looking at the compressed region, how the speed of sound travels through the medium. At normal room temperature, the speed of sound is 343 meter by second. Sound wave is a longitudinal wave because the wave is traveled parallel to the line of action. Another type of wave is a transverse wave that vibrate perpendicular to the line of action. Waves on water and string is an example of transverse wave. Wave travel in this shape, so we can find the speed of sound wave through calculate the peak or valley or speed of single point of any wave. Watch one of the air molecule. One period of molecule is move back and forth motion. Its one complete cycle is called wavelength. The speed of sound equal to distance by time. The distance traveled by one wave is wavelength lambda. The time taken for its propagation is t. So v equal to lambda by t. N equal to 1 by t. So substitute this value. Does the speed of sound is same in all the medium? No. The speed of sound is different in different medium. For example, the velocity is highest in solids, medium in liquids and least in gases. The velocity of sound wave is maximum in solids because they are more density and more elasticity liquids and gases. It increases with increase in temperature of the medium. The velocity of sound in various mediums at 25 degree Celsius. Straight substances speed in meter by second. Solids. Aluminium 5420 meter by second. Nickel 6040 meter by second. Steel 5960. Iron 5950 meter by second. Brass 4700 meter by seconds. Then some of the liquid mediums. Sea water 1531 meter by second. Pure water 1491 meter by second. Ethanol 1207 meter by second. Methanol 1103 meter by second. The next is the gaseous mediums. Hydrogen 1284, helium 965 meter by second, air 346 meter by second, oxygen 316. Factors influencing the speed of sound in air or gases. In the case of gases, the following factors affect the velocity of sound waves. There are density, pressure, temperature, humidity and wind. First of all, we are discussing the density, how it affects the speed of sound in air. The speed of sound is inversely proportional to the square root of density of the medium. For example, oxygen is 4 times higher density than the hydrogen. So oxygen has a low speed than the hydrogen. So when density increases, the speed also decreases. The next is the pressure. By Boyle's law, for a given mass of gas, P by D is equal to constant. The temperature remains constant. D is already a constant for a gas. Therefore, V is equal to a constant of constant temperature. The speed of sound in gas is independent of the changes in pressure, provided the temperature is kept constant. The next is a humidity. The velocity of sound is inversely proportional to the square root of its density. The speed of sound increases with increase in humidity. The reason is the density of humidity air is less than that dry air. So sound travels faster in humid air. When the humidity increases, the speed of sound increases. That's why you can hear sound from long distance clearly during a rainy season. Next, wind. If the velocity of sound increases with the wind blowing in the direction of sound, if the velocity decreases if the wind blowing in opposite direction.